vegan mum. So if you remember, and if you follow me on my YouTube, 3 weeks ago, or maybe 4, I'm not sure, a lovely lady called Mazz came to my house and we did cooking. She does natural products, she does hair, and she also does fitness. So I am now returning the favor, and I'm going over to where she lives, and she's going to train me. And we have a lovely, lovely, warm October afternoon, and I'm going down, and I've actually made something. So after our training, I have made some spirulina and coconut protein balls so that we can replenish ourselves after she mashes me up. I have a feeling I'm going to be mashed up because that's what she does. Mazz also does fitness, and so I'm really looking forward to it. So guys, here we go. We're going to have this thing called Omega Mix, and this is it, all the nuts that are in there. Then I've got some raisins, I've got some sultanas, I've got some coconut, I have a banana hanging out there, and I'm going to add some spirulina. This is going to make our protein ball. It's all going in. So there's the raisins, there's the sultanas, there's the nuts, there is the coconut. The spirulina is the wonderful stuff, so I'm going to give you 2 teaspoons. It's not going to look pretty, it's going to look green, but it's going to be healthy. In goes the banana, and I also have some chopped dates. Time to give it a whiz. It's done, guys. Look at that. Ooh! And now let me just show you something. I have some desiccated coconut that I'm going to roll it in. So guys, here are my unevenly done balls, and I just rolled them, and now I'm going to just roll them in this lovely coconut. There's another one, desiccated coconut. Mazz is gonna love it. She's got kids as well, they might like it, I'm not sure. So I've just met up with Mazz. Look, 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 look. We didn't mean to do it. Look, look, we are both in pink and black. Look, 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 look. Different kinds of pink, but pink and black all the same. I think we're just sisters from another mister, isn't it? This is Mazz's beautiful local park. So, looking forward. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to do the warm-up first. So we'll just do like some running on the spot. And then from that, we're going to do the skipping. So I'm going to give you the rope, and then I'll just probably just skip. But basically, just you know. Ready? Yes. So we're doing the second part. So we're using the outdoor gym. So you just push and down, push forward and down. So Gary has just come over to our session.
No, that's it. Just type that name up.
Just rapped for us.
Oh, it's you. I did a flow for them earlier. I'm meeting them next week. I'm gonna big up that skating ring. It's gonna be sodas and candies and chocolates for everybody. R.I.P. Biggie. I'm not talking slang. I'm not talking gang. This is what I've been through in my life, and I'm still single, ain't got a wife. But check this out. I got me. That's my life.
Give me a moment to just catch my breath during this session.
Gary Rainer. Show up.
But it all started when I first saw Sesame Street. They said the man and the plan and the van, he was in the van and he saw a stand. After that, I said,
So we have finished. Mazz has done a good job. She's trimming down my weight. I'm sure I've lost some weight now, Mazz.
You lost a couple of
My sis is absolutely fantastic. Not only does she do health, she does hair and beauty, all natural of course, all natural. She also is a personal trainer. And my God, did she train me today. But thank God, God gave us a lovely day, right?
Oh, bless you. It was such a beautiful day. And a parking space.
It's everything actually.
Always seem to get so blessed with the parking
We
space.
really did. I think the whole day's just been blessed. I found it really easy. I was thinking it would be like a journey, but it was alright. There was traffic, but it was fine. So, I just thought I would also bring something to the table. So, just before I left this morning, I thought, what we're going to do, we're going to train. And I know that protein's really important, isn't it?
100%.
So,
Building the muscles, you need to have a bit of protein.
yeah, so Mazz has just said protein's really good for building the muscles. And I thought I knew that. And so I went and I made something. I got some nuts and I got some raisins. Oh, lovely. I got some nuts and I got some raisins.
Got some wipes.
Got some wipes.
Because we need to clean our hands. If we're going to eat.
Absolutely.
We need the dirty part.
So I've got some nuts, raisins, coconut and spirulina. So I call it my spirulina and coconut protein ball.
Okay.
Now when you see these sorts of things in the shops, it's like £2, $3.99, and I made this earlier, and which you will have seen on my YouTube. But they're full of protein, and the spirulina looks really good because spirulina is seaweed, and seaweed is really, really, really nutritious. So here is the protein balls that I made for Mazz. Nice.
Am I going to like these?
You're gonna love them, yeah? It's got coconut, as I said, nuts, raisins, dates. It should be quite sweet as well. It's green. What are your thoughts?
It's like a truffle.
Like a truffle, okay.
Well, I like nuts.
Yeah. And I just literally whizzed it in the food processor, and with the coconut and everything, and then that's it. Brought it together. And I said, when you see these protein balls in the shops, literally all they've done is just got all these ingredients together and just zhuzhed it together and made it into a ball, and then they're selling it for $3.99 in the shop. But you can make this yourself. It's really good, you know. You can taste the spirulina. You taste it, that kind of
Quite an earthy
taste, yeah. But you can make protein balls out of anything. You can take out the seaweed and just leave it as it is and just have raisins, nuts, coconut, whatever you want, apricot, that sort of stuff.
You've introduced so much different food. Do you make these often then?
You know what, not as often as I should, but it's really easy. So guys, try this out for healthy vegan options. Hey, before I do all that, thank you so much for inviting me, Mazz. I had a lovely day. Really enjoyed it.
Thank you for coming.
As usual, I always have such a great time with Mazz. I really do. You do. We laugh, we joke. Mandy come. See the man, he came in and
Oh my days.
and he started to rap for us. It was absolutely brilliant. And now we're sitting and eating. I've even forgotten that I was mashed up earlier. Guys, check out this video. Check out Mazz's channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for healthy vegan options. I'm your girl. I'm your girl.